In this video, we will show you how to install macOS on Hyper-V. In here, I'm using Windows 11 and I have Hyper-V Manager. When I want to try the macOS, I can install it very easy on Hyper-V. This is just for example. I will connect my virtual machines, and this is macOS Monterey, and you can also install macOS Sonoma. But in this tutorial, I will show you how to install macOS with 12 version or Monterey, and in the next video, I also will give you tutorial how to install macOS Sonoma. And I will try to show you first how macOS can install in Hyper-V, and this is my macOS for Monterey version. Okay. When you want to try using macOS, if you just only have Windows operating system on your home, you can try this method. You can even using application to browsing using macOS on your Hyper-V. Okay, you can see there. It can connect internet, open terminal, and like the macOS, of course. You can see here. Okay. And how to install this macOS on your Windows using Hyper-V. First, let's shut down our macOS on Hyper-V. Okay, I will shut down first. In here, the requirement is you need to download the image files or bootable files to install this macOS. Okay, you can download the macOS for Hyper-V on virdata.com. Okay, I will put this link into the comment section. You can see here. You can scroll down and download the bootable link. Okay, this is Monterey and this is Sonoma. Let's try using Monterey. This step is very easy. Don't like if you are trying to install on VirtualBox, maybe you need to execute commands or another. Okay, this is the macOS Monterey here. Then after your download is complete, let's pause this. You can see I already downloaded in here. This is my macOS Monterey. I can using this file to boot the macOS. So first you need to extract this file. Okay, you can using extract using application on Windows or using WinRAR like this. Okay, I prefer using WinRAR because it's very easy, and it will contain the folder. Okay, this folder contain VHDX files. This file is used to boot the macOS and to install the macOS later. Okay, you can see there. You can delete the zip files. Okay, then the next step is on your Hyper-V. Okay, you can open Hyper-V. To open Hyper-V, just find Hyper-V Manager and make sure you are using Windows Pro, not home version. Then you can create the new or virtual machine here, and then click next. For example, I will name macOS Monterey, and this step is require internet connection to install macOS from internet. Okay, this is not using ISO file, so the installation using internet connection. Okay, then click next, and for the generation, just choose the generation 2 and click next. Okay, for the memory, require minimum 8 gigabytes. Okay, so the 8 gigabytes, it's mean double from the default. So you can delete 4 and change to 8, and 96 times 2 is 182. Okay, you can see there 6 plus 6 2, and okay, 192, like this. Then click next, and the connection, select default switch. This is very important, and you need to using internet connection here. Okay, and click next again, and create a virtual hard disk. Okay, name macOS Monterey.vhdx. Okay, you can let this by default, or if you prefer to change the location, you can change here, but I let it by default. Then click next and install an operating system later. Then I click finish. After recreating the virtual machine like this, select settings. Okay, after you select settings, the first thing you need to select hard drive in here. Okay, you can see there you need to add the hard drive, so the macOS bootable file will load in here. So select SGSI controller here and click add, and then select virtual hard disk that you just download the bootable files. Okay, I put onto desktop. Okay, this is the files, and you can see the file is weirdata.com.vsdx, and click open. Then click apply. You can see after that, select firmware here. Now you have two hard drive. One is the default, the second is that you just download and attach. Move into the up. Okay, don't forget the bootable file is number 1, the second is your hard drive for virtual machine, and click apply in here. Then for security, don't tick enable secure boot here and click apply, and checkpoint also disable and click apply. Okay, I also change the automatic start action and click nothing. Okay, and for automatic stop action, I will select turn off the virtual machine. Now the integration service, also tick the get services and click apply. After that, you can click OK. Now you can right click in here and try to connect. Okay, you can see there and click start. Okay, it's successfully. Your macOS will running the installation like this. I will try this tutorial until hard disk partition and then next to the installation. And after the hard disk partition and next to the installation, you need to wait. Also, it depends on your internet connection. The macOS can take the time 1 until few hours. So you need just to wait the installation complete. Okay, let's wait in here. In this process, it's not error. We need just to wait this process. So you don't need to be worried. And this is the process. Just wait until the UI is appear, and make sure your internet connection is active because it's be the requirement. I will plug the battery. Okay, it's successfully. Wow, it's very easy. Here, select this utility for the next step and click continue. Then in here, you can see there is two internal hard drive one is bootable, one is your virtual hard drive for virtual machine. Select this, okay. Select the internal, and this is from your host OS, and select erase. After that, you can give the name, whatever name you want. For example, make HG and click erase. Okay. After the done, you can close this utility. Just close this and select reinstall macOS Monterey and click continue. And select continue here. And select the agree for the license terms, and you can click agree. And don't forget to select Match XT. Then you can click continue. And this is the last step that I will show you, because after this it's require 1 until few hours, and it depends on your internet connection. Okay, it's okay if I click continue in here, and you can see this process is look like this, and you need to wait until the installation completed. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to install macOS on Hyper-V with very easy step. Hope this video helpful for you.